honored to present this proposal that is both timely and essential for the sustainable development of our community. As we are all aware that waste management has become one of the pressing challenges faced by the local government units across the country. At hanggang ngayon, we are still in the process of identifying a sanitary landfill para sana we no longer have to dump our wastes in Cauayan City. This proposal aims to strengthen our commitment to environmental stewardship and agricultural development by turning wastes into wealth. I hope that I get everyone's support in the passage of an ordinance requesting the Department of Agriculture, specifically the Bureau of Soils and Waters Management, to donate 1 unit of a composting facility for biodegradable wastes, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Alright, maganda po yung sinabi ni Mr. Salvador Apostol. Meron po bang katanungan mula sa ating kinatawan tungkol sa proposition na ito? Mr. Apostol, gusto niyo po ba nating ipasa ngayong araw na ito itong resolusyon?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At ano lang, Mr. Apostol, tungkol po sa ating tinatapon na mga basura dito sa Cauayan, tama po, ano po? Yung mga residual lang po yung mga tinatapon doon, di ba?
Including biodegradable.
Including biodegradable.
Yes.
Yung dinideliver natin sa sanitary landfill ng Cauayan?
Yes, sir.
So yung sanitary landfill nila ay tumatanggap din ng compostable?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alright.